Hello and welcome to my channel. So today I've actually come down to London for a little bit of street photography. Just arrived at Tottenham Court Road, and I've got the Canon M50 Mark II with me, my usual small travel camera, and I've got the 22mm Pancake Lens on. So this is a great lens for street photography. It's so discreet and small, and today I need to travel light as I'm meeting somebody and I don't want to be carrying too much. So as soon as you get out, in fact I've got to just take this photo, hang on a minute. Few warm-up shots there. This is as soon as you get out of Tottenham Court Road station. What a start, just to warm up, start getting the feel of the camera again. So I'm going to look around and see what sort of backgrounds I can get today with subjects coming through the backgrounds and anything else I might find on the way. So let's have a walk along. I'm going to walk towards Oxford Circus actually, so I'll catch up with you in a moment. So we're just heading into Oxford Street. I absolutely love these backgrounds. I was trying to look for people with similar colours to the background. The problem is the background kept changing, so I just did my best to see what I could get. So for example, this is green, and I was looking for people with green, and I did get this one. green rucksack, green shoes. But it was quite difficult because the colours were just changing so much. So for example here I wanted somebody with blue. And of course there's lots of people walking past, but I got this person, blue trainers, blue hat and blue coat. I thought I'd do another leading line shot towards the taxi, using the double yellow lines as the leading lines. And then across the road, this Dr. Martin's shoe shop was yellow, and I thought this was great, having a road sweeper and cleaner with yellow top. It sort of blended in nicely. And then this one, I was really waiting for a subject to come past, but again the picture was changing, so it was quite difficult to get the right one. But I thought this one would do, somebody just walking past, and I made the background black and white. Now whenever you get subways, it's quite good to shoot people coming up because you've got a nice frame. So here's one example. I've just got a little bit lower and then got these two ladies coming up. And then always remember to look down, because sometimes you can get some nice shots. So I'm just moving round and looking over the railing, and then see what sort of shot we can get down here. This shot lent itself to black and white, I felt. Very happy with that shot. And then there's a chap sitting there taking a photo, so I thought I'll get him taking a photo. just this one of the taxi. I've got a few shots here where I didn't have the GoPro running. Anyway, if you enjoyed the video, please give me the thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing and clicking that notification bell so that you don't miss future videos. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video.